Okay, welcome to This and That. So today we're going to be changing the drive belt on this Steel City mini lathe. So you're going to want to make sure you get all the little bits of old belt off of these pulleys. There's still some stuck on there. And so right here, this, we're going to hit it with these, looks like a 6.5 mil. So there's 2 set screws. So we're just gonna back these out. And this right here is actually reverse thread. Not the set screws, but just the whole knob. Okay, so there's one. We're going to put it right here so we don't lose it. Put a little PB on this just to break it free. There's 2. Also in here, takes a smaller metric one. Maybe it's the same one here. Or... oh, no, it's the same one. Okay, so we're just going to break that free. So that I don't think you gotta take all the way out, just gotta back it out. Oh, let's just take it out to be sure. You can see it's keyed right there, right? If I just tap this with the persuader, yep, so that's keyed like that. That slides right there. Okay. Okay, now this. Now it comes with a wrench for this, but I don't have it with me, so this is reverse thread, so we're going to put this 1/4-inch drive. Let's just see what happens when we go right with it. Yeah, it's moving. Yeah, so it's righty-loosey. Got a little oil on it, so it's a little slick, but here we go. Give your wrist a workout. It's going though. You can see it's starting to push out right there. Just got it braced. Come on, there we go. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay. So now let's actually just slide. Right like that. Perfect. Okay. So now we can take our new belt, right, and here's the different speeds. You put them on different pulleys. So we're just going to snake this up. Actually, we're going to snake it down, right, and be easier. And this company actually went out of business, so it's fortunate. Amazon had some West Coast company that makes different belts, so we're able to get one. Okay. So we just got it on there. Make sure this is loose. So we're gonna just raise that up. Okay, so she's on. We can finagle it, but let's just get her back. Yeah, so that was keyed. Actually, there was just a little bit showing, right like that. So we're gonna want to line this up and make sure she's straight. Okay. So we gotta make the jump. So we want to be on the third one. Definitely tighter. Okay. Oh, you know something? I shouldn't have put it on the third, but that's okay. We can finagle it. Yeah, so that's lined up right there. That's how much key was showing. But essentially just reverse the process. But that's how you do it.